2020 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. It's a 6.4 liter. The thing's a beast. Usually they come through and be like, oh, let me get a straight pipe. Oh, this customer in particular got 4 dynomax bullets. Let's check it out. These bullets do reduce the drone a little bit. It won't be as raspy. We chopped off the mid mufflers right here and here. Placed them with the dynomax bullets. And also in the back, the rear mufflers chopped here and here. Replaced them with dynomax bullets. And he has 5-inch carbon black tips. The thing's a beast, yo, and I would suggest maybe in the future, maybe getting a little diffuser. That'll look dope. Maybe the next step is throwing in an intake. These cars do get pretty loud, so this might be a good option instead of just straight piping it. Let me know in the comments below, and also give me a thumbs up, yo. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and check out all the video links in the description below. Check us out on Instagram at GExhaust. All right, peace.